And welcome back. Now, young Jamaican football sensation Leon Bailey says he will not be pressured into making a decision on his international career as to which country he'll play for, and that includes the Reggae Boys. Jamaica aside, the 20-year-old winger has been linked to representing England, Belgium, Germany and even Malta. But Bailey is remaining tight-lipped about where he'll pledge his allegiance in international football.
And you are a young player with huge expectations on your shoulders as it pertains to even your country. Do you feel like sense of pressure as you go about your business in Europe and even back home, the whole issue of Jamaica and what will we see Jamaica, Leon in the black, green and gold?
First of all, I don't like pressure, so I don't tend to let myself feel pressured. So I tend to do my thing, knowing in the back of my head I have a lot of responsibility with a lot of people looking up to me. So I tend to work hard and just do what I have to do so that I don't feel pressured by anything.
But while Bailey, who is home on vacation, remains coy about the matter, his father and agent Craig Butler says although not selected for England's World Cup squad, Bailey remains on the English radar.
In conversation with England,
right.
there's possibilities for them to play for other countries, but the reality is our heart will always remain in our homeland where we love.